Hey guys, I'm Natasha Denona. I'm so excited to show you this video because I created a look that I love so much. It's a dreamy elongated halo eye, and I've used all 3 products of my Mini Love collection to create the look. I hope you will love it. To create a soft halo eye look, it's always best to start with a medium matte eyeshadow. So I'm picking up the shade R and pressing this gently into both corners of the eyelid. Then with the shade Love, this is actually a metallic shade that is a warm pink. And I want to soften the edges above the crease with the shade just to give a transition with a beautiful warm glow. And the next step to create a perfect halo eye, you have to pick the darker shade. This is the shade My, and I'm using also a precision brush to define and emphasize both corners of the lash lines. I'm starting out with the outer corner and then going into the inner corner and blending it upwards while the eyes are a little bit opened, so you can see the real effect of the gradient. And then the same thing, you have to work also on the outer corner, going upwards and blending motions to achieve the softest transition. And then with a slightly larger brush, I am taking the shade R again just to soften the lower outer corner of the lash line. One of the secrets to create the perfect halo eye is creating the biggest contrast between the corners and the center lid. So in this case, I'm picking up the shade True and pressing this onto the center lid and slightly blending around it. So I will achieve a beautiful soft blend between the shades. My eyeshadow formula is so rich in pigment, but at the same time also very soft and buttery. It's easy to blend the darkest with the lighter shades. I want to add a sparkling touch to this look, so I'm picking up the shade U, which is a dazzling duochrome eyeshadow, and pressing this gently right above the light shade in the crease and going upwards. With a damp flat eyeshadow brush, I'm pressing the same shade also onto the center of the lower lash line, so the highlight of the sparkle will connect from the lower lash line with the upper crease, which gives a very unique look to this eye makeup look. I have framed the lips already with the I Need a Nude lip crayon in the shade NP2 Ilona, and coating them now with the I Need a Nude lipstick in the shade AMOROSA. AMOROSA is the most perfect, natural and neutral lip color that suits everyone, like my lips but better. The I Need a Nude lipstick formula is rich in gotu kola and orchid extracts. They heal, hydrate and soften the lips. It is weightless and hugs the lips like a balm. And finally, for the cheeks, I am picking the cream blush from the Love Cheek Duo. You can use a blush brush, but you can also apply this product on your cheeks with your finger and then blend it softly outwards. Place it firstly on the apples of your cheeks and then blend it out upwards. And to add the glow, you can just simply pick up the impact powder with the blush brush as well, or a highlighting brush, or just with your finger and swiping this on the higher points of your cheekbones. These shades are beautiful on all skin tones, and the highlighter shifts from a pinkish tone to a golden champagne.